Okay, I'm still single in 2025, but that doesn't stop me to wear a beautiful pink soft glam makeup look. So if you guys want to see how I have achieved this soft pinky glam on my hooded eyes, which of course you can create at home, then please continue watching. And for those who are still single like me in 2025, drop me a hi into the comments. I'm just gonna have a chat one-to-one with you. So without further ado, let's just jump right in and create this beautiful soft pinky glam. So I have already filled my brows using the two favorite products of mine. One of this is the eyebrow definer from PAC Cosmetics and the NYX brow glue. And to prime my eyelids, I'm going to take this L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer. This is going to just cover all the darkness left behind. I'm just going to take a small makeup sponge to just blend it all around my eyelids. Next, I'm going to set this concealer using the House Labs Bio Blurring Setting Powder. And I'm going to take this brush, a small amount of translucent powder, and set my eyelids before jumping into the eyeshadow application. Okay, for my eyeshadow today, I'm going to use two eyeshadow palettes. The one I'm going to use is the Makeup by Mario Master Mattes. This is the original one. And the other one I'm going to use is this P. Louise Stack 'em Up. It's called Smutty Tones. This is a pink eyeshadow palette which has been featured previously on my channel. I'm gonna mix Master Matte 4 and 5 together on a big fluffy blending brush, and I'm gonna start working it towards the outer third of my eyes. These eyeshadows are buildable, so yes, they are not like really pigmented, but you can softly build them up to a high pigment intensity. There's a reason it has been developed by a pro makeup artist like Mario. Okay, next I'm going to pick up this baby pink shade on a flat blending brush. This is called Investment, and I'm just going to place it towards the inner third of my eyes, slowly building it up to the intensity I prefer. This is going to give this sort of like a soft cut crease effect. Okay, using a pointed blending brush, this is the Morphe M507. You can actually use a pencil brush as well. I don't know whether they make it anymore. I am gonna take this matte shade number 5. This is more sort of like a neutral brown shade. And I'm just gonna build it up towards the outer third of my eyes to build up some depth and dimension. Okay, this is how it's looking so far. I'm gonna take this shade, which is like this sort of like a pink champagne. This is called Dollar Sign. And this is what I'm gonna softly place it on all over my lid, especially towards the inner third of my eyes. This one does have a tiny bit of fallout, nothing we cannot take care of. Using a makeup wipe, I'm just gonna clean up the fallout. I'm gonna create a soft shadowing, and for that I'm taking this matte number 11. This is more of like a charcoal brown, cool brown shade. I'm just gonna pull out a soft shadowing. To intensify and crisp up the eyeliner, I'm gonna take this NYX Epic Ink Liner. I'm just gonna stamp it on my lash line and pulling a really tiny baby wing. Okay, so the hard work is done and now I can breathe. I'm just gonna curl my lashes. For my mascara, I'm taking this Hyper Curl waterproof mascara from Maybelline. The wand is like so, which works really well. And this one is gonna give my eyelashes some volume. So I'm just gonna wiggle the brush, and I especially want this fanned out outer corner effect. Okay, it has made my eyelashes a little bit clumpy. So I'm just gonna use this lash comb to just take out the excess mascara. Okay, they look much better now. For my foundation, I'm taking this Maybelline Super Stay Lumi Matte Foundation. This is a new one. I'm just gonna take 2 pumps and spread a thin layer all around my face. Okay, the texture of this foundation is really nice. And for Valentine's Day, I'm taking this pink sponge. This is from a brand called Prosh Beauty. It gives this sort of like a skin-like finish. For my concealer, I'm again taking this L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer, and I'm just gonna use a tiny dot just like to brighten up under my eyes. I don't need any more coverage, so a tiny bit of this product is gonna just do wonders. Do you see how instantly it lifts and brightens up under the eyes? Stunner. For my bronzer, I'm taking this Glam Contour Stick. This is more of like a medium warm shade, and I'm just gonna load the product on a small brush and simply bronze my face. This just to bring back some warmth and dimension. I just sometimes do this, and mind it, this is not contour but bronzer, so I'm just warming up my face rather than creating new structure or shadows. Okay, so to contour this giant nose, I'm taking this Makeup by Mario sculpting stick. This is in the shade medium dark, and this actually has stopped working, so I'm just going to take a tiny bit of the product, and I'm just gonna pinch the same brush and just softly blend it around the bridge of my nose. Okay, for my blush, I'm taking this Mars Cosmetics liquid blush in the shade Sun-Kissed. It's more so again like on a soft pink side. I'm just gonna place it around my cheeks. I'm just gonna blend it with a makeup brush, just very precise where I want it to be, bringing it up towards my under eyes. I'm just gonna put a tiny bit onto the tip of my nose. With no extra foundation, I'm just gonna blend the harsh edges. Okay, so far so good and so cute. Using the same translucent powder on a big brush like so, I'm gonna slightly set my face. For my lips, I'm gonna go more onto a soft pink nude lip, and I'm gonna take this lip liner called Steamy Pink from Mars Cosmetics. This shade is more on a rosy pink side. And to fill in my lips, I'm taking this Bullet lipstick by MAC. This is in the shade Kinda Sexy. This is more on like a peachy pink. And using my pinky finger, I'm just gonna blur out the edges of the lip liner. Okay, you can leave the lip like this. However, I'm going to go an extra mile and I'm gonna just top it up with a lip gloss. And this I'm gonna take is the Anastasia Beverly Hills in the shade Pearl. This is more like a glitter lip gloss. And I'm just gonna place it around the center of my lip. And this is it, how stunning this lip combo looks. Usually I avoid lashes due to my extreme hooded eyes, but I'm just gonna pop up some lashes. Okay, so this is the full soft pink glam beat, and the eyes are giving this soft and sultry, sexy, pinky glam. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give this video a big thumbs up and consider subscribing to my YouTube channel, and I'm gonna see you guys in my next one.